Welcome friends. This video is about energy efficiency in air compressor and compressed air delivery system. This video is helpful to all the engineers who want to increase efficiency of compressed air as well as those candidates who are preparing for the exams of energy audit, energy consultancy or energy certification. Friends, you will be surprised to know that next to HVAC, air compressor is the biggest power consuming device because efficiency of compressor as well as compressed air system is highly 80, that is 15%. 85% of loss is there in this system. So in this video series, it is talked about what is air compressor, what are general applications of compressed air, then what are different compressors they are used in industry starting from reciprocating, scroll, screw and vent compressors. Then how to assess performance of compressor. Then how to have energy saving achieved in existing system or what concepts or guidelines to be observed when you are going for new compressor or compressed air system. Then how to assess the capacity of existing compressor, and lastly there is a versatile checklist which is applicable to all type of industry. So just to go through the content, it is like this. In few initial slides it is explained that why energy saving is very important in compressed air system, because initial cost of compressor plays less than 18% of role, while running cost or energy cost plays a role of more than 73%. That is because out of total energy supplied, just 10 to 15% is available as a usable form and remaining energy is lost in the compressor system. So compressor is a important candidate when we are talking of energy conservation. Then there is a discussion about different applications of compressed air. Also there are suggestions that where this compressed air is not required, it can be replaced by blower or fan. Then comes a detailed classification of compressor based on positive displacement and continuous flow type. And then there are animations as well as working of all these compressors explained in detail, starting with the reciprocating compressor. Then comes rotary compressor. Again there is a vent compressor, and then there is a centrifugal compressor. Working of all different types of compressors with necessary animations and diagrams are shown in this video series. Then comes important topic, that is how to select the compressor as well as how to evaluate performance based on FAD as well as their efficiency values. They are discussed over here. Then 10 to 15 methods of energy saving in existing as well as for new design system is been explained. Some of them are shown in this introductory video, like how to identify the leak and what is the role of leak in any system. Then what is advantage of taking up regular maintenance, and for all the parts what maintenance schedule to be taken up. Then some energy saving measures like how to locate the compressor, what is the role of cool air, and lastly there is how to assess the performance of existing compressor compared with the new or the fresh one, that is explained. And then there is exhaustive checklist about energy saving methods which is applicable to all the industries. So friends, learning this course you will come to know that how to save energy in the existing system, and you can take necessary measures so that energy bill can be reduced. Thank you.